In the spoken English class evening session, the challenge continues. The challenge of spoken English class is that I'm going to give a question, rather I will give 3 questions, and I will also let you know about the word bank, related words and phrases. There are 3 questions, word bank given, make sentences, and win the competition.
I am fond of gardening, so I usually do it with my cousins. As in group activity, everyone shares his or her interest in particular activity, and also in team working, bondings become very strong.
Very good evening, my dear friends. So, how are you doing? We're doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. In the spoken English class evening session, the challenge continues. The challenge of spoken English class is that I'm going to give a question, rather, I will give 3 questions, and I will also let you know about the word bank, related words and phrases to make comprehensive sentences. If you're going to use them intelligently and make sentences, I will really appreciate you guys and girls. You can write down all the questions, rather the answers, with the help of those given words and vocabulary items in the comment section. I will also give you a lot of appreciation. So guys, here we go, and I'm going to give you the questions. 3 questions about a very important topic, very simple topic, everyday topic rather. It's about my pastimes. There are 3 questions, word bank given, make sentences, and win the competition. So dear friends, as you know about the topic, it's about pastimes or hobby or free time activities. So the question number 4 from the evening students is, do you usually do it alone or with friends or family? So this is the question. The word bank is alone, by myself, with my best friend, with cousins, with classmates. The second clue is group activity, team sport, shared interest. The third clue is quality time and bonding. So here you go. I would like to ask you the answer for the first question, please. My question is, do you usually, please hold the mic, do you usually do it alone or with friends or family?
I like to watch movie, and I usually do this with my younger sister. Younger sister on weekend, especially like Saturday night.
Okay, Saturday night.
Saturday night.
Okay, great. So in this way, this becomes a group activity.
Yes.
And you love doing it.
Yes, we really enjoy it.
Really enjoy it. That's great. Thank you. Please, the same question from you, please. Do you usually do it alone or with friends or family?
As I am fond of gardening, so I usually do it with my cousins. As in group activity, everyone shares his or her interest in particular activity, and also in team working, bondings become very strong.
Okay, bonding becomes very strong. She has used almost everything in it. That's really fantastic. Yes, the same question from you. Question number 4. Do you usually do it alone or with friends or family?
I usually do it alone, and oftenly I share.
Not oftenly. There is no word oftenly. Often.
Okay. I share it with my friends and cousins, and sometimes maybe classmates, because after sharing the content of my books, which I have read before, and they took interest, and they feel like we have a group activity in this way, and we create a kind of bonding with each other, and in this way we share
Fantastic.
quality time.
Tried very well. It's really appreciable. Yes, please, Mr. Schwab. Do you usually do it alone or with friends or family?
I prefer to go with my friend.
No, I prefer doing it. I prefer going.
I prefer going with my friend. So whenever we get time to travel somewhere, we prefer to watch some movie or eat something in the dining or stuff like that. Eat something delicious. Or on when we meet each other, we get enough time to have some sharing our views or
You spend time by sharing your views, and bonding becomes stronger and stronger.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you. So, what about you, gentlemen? About your answer, please. Now, Do you usually do it alone or with friends or family?
Yes, I usually enjoy my pastime with my best friends, and we all our interest have about cricket teams, and we also talk about cricket criticisms, and we also enjoy and our time is very good, and our time spent is very good.
All right, thank you very much. Your time's over, and your answers are also complete to the question number 4. Thank you very much. Very nice. Now, question number 5. So, dear friends, the next question number 5 is: what do you need to enjoy your pastime? Word bank is bat and ball, paintbrushes, books, gardening tools, phone or laptop, and then equipment, materials, basic supplies, internet connection, special gear, sports kit, anything, please. So, my question to you is: what do you need to enjoy your pastime?
For watching movie, we have to make sure about the two things. First, our internet connection is connected properly, and
Yeah, you know you can't watch the movies on Netflix without internet
internet
connection.
connection, yes.
Okay.
And the second one is that our sitting area is quite comfortable, so without any noise. So because it will if like it will
It will create
create
disturbance in case
disturbance.
it's the place, center place of the house. Everybody's coming and going,
Yes,
so you can't have a good
concentrate
time.
on
You
it.
can't spend quality time
Quality time.
in case the place is crowded or the place is the center of the house where everybody's haunting around. So that's it. Thank you very much. Very good answer. Yes, yes, please. The same question, please.
I need gardening tools as it helps in digging the soil, transplanting seeds, and mixing the soil. Also, it helps in leveling the soil and removing debris like leaves and grasses.
Fantastic. You are a gardener. Baghban. Fantastic answer. Very good combination of sentences. Please, the same question. What special tools and materials are needed for execution of your hobby or pastime, please?
I need a book to pursue my interest, and sometime maybe some gadgets like laptop or phone. But for this, it is mandatory for me that internet connection must be in a good speed. Otherwise, I will face a
If you are
problem.
reading an e-book,
Yes,
if you are
ebook.
reading a hardbound book or the physical book, then there
Then
is no need for the
yes,
internet
there is no
connection.
need
Then
for
there is
phone.
only need for the peaceful atmosphere. Do you want to sometimes read books on while sitting on the seaside?
No, not at all.
So, okay, this is really charismatic. Yes, please. Thank you very much. Your answer.
Okay, for me to spare my time, I do need a laptop or a phone. I remember when we going university, me and my friend, we had enough time to explore new movies over the internet or playing games. I remember the game name. It was chess or something. So yeah, it was fun on that time. But these days we don't have enough time to meet each other, and yeah,
And you don't have even time for little princess,
Yes.
who is a little tornado.
yes, yes, she is.
Very, very charming little guy, little girl. Please allow your answer.
I need good internet connections because we have four friends. So we all play the.
What do you mean
games.
by good internet connection? The Starlink? Maybe
Starlink Starlink is very expensive, so we need a fiber internet.
Okay.
We have four friends. Four friends we play all game. We play games like PUBG. So we need a strong internet connections. In about your questions, you said which tools you need. So we need internet strong.
An internet.
connection. In the other hand,
A
we need-
laptop, strong internet connections, and then you must need some time because you can't do your activity without having a proper time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. Your answer is absolutely, Absolutely right, I must say. Okay, you can have additions. You can edit your answer if you like later on. But your answer number two, question number two is over. Now we're going to start with question number three. It's all about how does your pastime help you relax or feel happy? Now, the keywords are refreshes my mind, reduces tension, helps me focus, brings joy, makes me forget worries, boosts my mood and morale, peaceful, stress relief, calming effect. Yes, please. Your question starts now. Rather, your answer starts now, please. Okay.
Yes. My pastime really helps me to relax my mind because it boosts my energy. And the second things is that after all the hectic day, I really feel fresh after watching movie.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Your question is saying, how does your pastime help you relax or feel happy?
um, I feel very happy whenever I go in the garden, and it refreshes my mind, and it gives me a calming effect. Also, it reduces my stress level.
Reduces stress level, refreshes my mind. Yes, please. What is the contribution of your hobby in your life?
Always refresh my mind because after reading and after a tough routine of life, it is very necessary for me to unwind all the tough routine, and by this I can easily calming myself, and so I can say it
Baby, calm down. Oh my God. Refreshes my mind, reduces tension, and
and
helps me focus. It
help.
brings joy, makes me forget worries, and boosts my mood. I feel very peaceful. I also feel stress relief, and there are calming effects on my body and mind. Fantastic! Yes, please, it's your turn now.
During my pastime, I'm able to reduce my tensions and worries about day-to-day life. Whenever I get a chance to visit my friend, uh, I I do really it really makes me feel happy, and I do forget about my worries and tensions. Uh, in reality, having a best buddy could leave a very peaceful impact on your mental health, I guess.
Yes, right. Yeah, I know that you are relieved because you've got a very good partner, life partner, sitting beside you right now, even. So thank you very much. It's your turn now, please. Your answer.
I
The
spent
question is the same.
yes.
What is the contribution of your hobby or pastime in your life?
I spend my time for those persons that give me good motivations and also reduce my mind anxiety and depressions. They give me good ideas how you spend your life in future, and they also give me good motivations.
Thank you very much indeed, my dear friends. Very good, fantastic presentation. I hope that it will contribute in increasing your knowledge and your experience of speaking. This is going to help you in speaking English in IELTS speaking module because you're becoming a confident, fluent public speaker. You're also able to just face the camera. It's really important facing camera because sometimes you feel disturbed, mentally perturbed, and perhaps you feel in the between the devil and the deep sea because it's really very depressing to face the camera and speak in front of it. But anyway, you've done it. I really appreciate you, and I hope that it will further enhance your spoken exposure. God bless you. Thank you once again, please, everybody.